Hi, I'm John Refrano and I'm a mentor at Mentive. This week's question comes from Monica in Los Angeles. Monica wants to know, what is Agile development? Well, that's a pretty broad topic, but let me give you the essence. What do you think about when you hear the word Agile? What does it conjure up in your head? Nimble on your feet? Quick to turn? Easy to change? These are the things that we emulate when we practice Agile development. In the past, we've used methodologies like waterfall and plan and design, where we spent months and months gathering requirements, all the requirements we think the customer would want to have. And then we design the entire system before we even start to code. Then we go into a development phase for months and a testing phase for months, and it's lots of months later that we actually get to maybe a staging environment where we do customer acceptance testing. And quite often, it's not what the customer wanted. It may be what they wanted 9-10 months ago, but it's not what they need now. With Agile, we take our direction from lean manufacturing by working in small batches and creating minimum viable products. What we do is we work in small, self-directed teams in iterations that we call sprints, usually about 2 weeks long. And in the sprint, we do a complete design, code, test, and deploy. We deploy some minimum viable product that has business value that the customer could then give us feedback on and let us know if we're going in the right direction. We write user stories in terms that the customer can understand, and then we turn those into code. We do this by using what's called behavior-driven design and test-driven development. In behavior-driven design, we write user stories and we review them with the customer, and that captures what the application is supposed to do. Then in test-driven development, we validate that the system actually works the way the customer wanted it. We write the test cases before we write the code. The significance of this is that every piece of code has a test case associated with it. That's the only way we can get through a 2-week sprint and actually deploy something that's up and running. A lot of teams enhance their productivity by using pair programming. You'd think having 2 programmers work on the same thing, you'd get half of the work done. But actually what happens is they collaborate and actually work faster, and you get 2 eyes on every line of code. By using these methodologies, we produce code quicker with higher quality. I hope you found that response helpful. Feel free to ask me more questions, and check out what classes I'm teaching at Mentive. Just follow the link in the description below. Hope to see you in class.